Hi, this is Steve Roberts and I'm W1SFR, and I just wanted to show you this key that I've made recently. It is a paddle as well as a Sideswiper. It's mounted on brass. Everything's turned by hand. The finger pieces are all made by hand, and the base is solid ebony. There's a ball bearing movement underneath this post here and a couple of magnets here, and that's what makes it go. It makes a great Sideswiper in my preferred mode, but also works well as a paddle. Here it is in the Sideswiper mode. And now I'll do it in the paddle mode here so you can see what it sounds like. And I'll set the rate at 20 words a minute. So there you have it, a new key, and I really like the action. I'm using these the same kind of contacts that I use on my swipers and my torsion bar keys, and I think it makes a nice action. It's very soft landing when the key is activated. Contacts are quite close together, and it makes for effortless sending. All right, thanks for watching, and see you on the radio. 73.